Hey everybody, I promised you during staff meeting that I would do a quick video about how to upload a video to your Google Drive. Really, this process is the same for any file that you want to upload to Google Drive from your computer's hard drive or USB drive or whatever. It's very simple, like I said. So you need to be in your Google Drive account and you go to New and File Upload. I'm going to show you how to do a Zoom video. The thing with videos that's different than other files, the only difference really is that it will take a little bit longer for the video to process. Not necessarily to upload, but to process, which means that it would be ready for viewing. But here we go. So you find whatever file it is you want to upload. So I'm going to do Zoom video. And when a Zoom meeting is recorded on your computer, Zoom automatically creates a folder for that meeting. So I'm going to open the meeting, our staff meeting folder from just a few minutes ago. And you see a bunch of files in here. So I'll just walk you through what these are. This is the audio only file. So that's the file that would just be the audio of the meeting. The Zoom _0.mp4, that's the video file. So that is the MP4 video file, which is what I choose to upload. The other things that are in here is the chat text and the meeting saved chat text. So those are the text transcripts of any chats that were sent during the meeting. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to upload the video file. So I'm going back to that MP4 file. I'm going to click on it once and click open, or you can just double click on it and Google Drive will start it immediately. So I'm going to double click. And you'll see down, oh, I had already done this one, so let me say update existing, okay? And you'll see right here, it says uploading one item in the bottom right-hand corner. And it's telling me, it started with 40 minutes, and then now it's telling me 0, down to the left to 1 minute. So it can take a while, okay? And I'm gonna wait for just a minute to see if I can show you if it'll upload quickly. But like I said, the upload is usually pretty quick unless it's just a massive video file. What takes a long time is the processing. So anyway, once this is done uploading, it becomes just like any other file in your Google Drive, and you can move it to a folder. I would recommend doing a Zoom meeting folder, like a COVID Zoom meeting folder, and maybe do one folder per week. And then you can move all the videos that you have into that folder for the week. So what I'm getting ready to do is I'm also going to show you so that once it uploads, then you can go to your computer hard drive or your computer files and where you found that video. So I'm going to go back to that Zoom folder. I'm going to click the folder and I would right click it and I'm going to hit delete. And that would end up freeing up that space for me on the computer. So you would hit delete, and then to make sure that space is really all clear, you want to go to your computer's desktop, and mine is a PC, so this may be a little different on a Mac. You would go to the recycle bin, and then if it shows up there, then you would just empty it from your recycle bin, okay? So sometimes when you delete a file, it gets put to the recycle bin, but in that instance, it looks like it deleted it already. So now that Zoom video is not taking up the space. Okay, so now you can see while I was talking about how to delete, the upload is complete in Google Drive. So I'm going to click on it just so you can see what it looks like. And you can see that the message comes up that says we're still processing this video, check back later, or you can download the video now, but that kind of defeats the purpose. So you can organize it from this point. So you would come up here to the 3 little dots at the top right corner, click that, and then move to, and then you just select My Drive and move it to any of the folders that you need it to be moved to. As always, if you have any questions about this, don't hesitate to reach out to me, and I can try to walk you through it, but this is a very, very simple process. So I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.